In this video, we look at an example of how to apply the product and quotient rules symbolically, meaning the functions are not specific functions, but we use the notation and the rules of differentiation to actually get these answers. So you've got this smattering of information up above where it says given, and then you're asked to find the derivative of the function f times g at x equals 3. So the first thing you want to do is just apply the product rule, because this is a product. So the derivative of that product, as we know, and I'm going to actually use the fact that we're evaluating this derivative at x equals 3. So I'm not just going to put f prime. I'm going to say it's f prime of 3 plus times g of 3 plus g prime of 3 times f of 3, and really all the hard work is done now. You just need to substitute. So f prime of 3 is 3 halves. G of 3 would be -4 plus g prime of 3 is -1, and f of 3 is 7, and so this ends up becoming -12 halves, which is -6 minus 7, so this should be -13. Alright, so that's a purely symbolic problem, and you're in it. I mean, the AP exam likes to throw these on there just to test your understanding of the differentiation rules. We'll do the quotient one while we're at it. So according to the quotient rule, this derivative is going to equal, I put g of 1 squared at the bottom first, times g of 1, or in the numerator, g of 1 times f prime of 1 minus f of 1 times g prime of 1. And again, we refer up to the top and make our substitutions. So g of 1, it looks like it's 2. F prime of 1 is 5. F of 1 is 4. And g prime of 1 is 1/2. Divided by g of 1 squared. G of 1 again is 2, so that's 2 squared. And we get as an answer 10 minus 2 over 4, or 8/4, or 2. Alright, so there's just a quick problem involving using the quotient rule and the product rule as it would apply to a problem that's purely symbolic.